Every day, organizations are striving to create perfect places. We understand that there are numerous challenges that may arise from achieving this goal. From meeting customer and staff expectations, managing operating costs, ensuring safety and security of people and assets, or achieving demanding sustainability targets. But our world is evolving, and advancements in technologies bring new opportunities to overcome these challenges and gain efficiencies. The building industry alone is undergoing a major transformation. Buildings are talking and generating massive amounts of data through our combination of people expertise, technology, and services. We focus on not only capturing and analyzing the right data, but also generating data-driven insight and taking action. This enables us to better support our customers in creating an even greater competitive advantage for their core business. Give us a solid foundation to constantly develop new and innovative solutions. Our customers confide in us to optimize their assets' performance, identify cost reduction opportunities, increase productivity of their staff, or enhance their building's value. With our unique domain expertise, the right technologies, and lifecycle services, it's no wonder customers from all over the world are turning to Siemens to help create their perfect place.